How to make millions investing in metaverse crypto games. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to make millions investing in metaverse crypto games. So let's get started. You might be wondering what is metaverse and what are crypto games, why everybody is talking about these things, and how you can also make millions of dollars like other people. So it's super easy to do and it's super fun when it comes to playing games, and you will be surprised when I tell you that you can actually make billions of dollars by just playing games and investing in metaverse. This video is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto and investing, it totally depends on you, so make sure to get all the information before you totally get into it. But I'm telling you that how you can do that, what's the process, how to get started as a beginner. So let's check out few of the crypto games that you should definitely check out right now, and how these games work and how you can make millions of dollars with it. So the first game is going to be AxieInfinity.com. AxieInfinity.com is one of the most famous crypto games out there, a very fun adventure game to play where you have these very cute characters known as Axies. And guess what? Everything is NFT, and you can actually, sell and buy things and trade these axes in Axie Infinity. You can buy land, you can buy different, NFT assets, you can buy characters. Everything is NFT, and you can simply buy it, sell it, and trade it. And of course, trading and buying will be on a blockchain. Works with Axie Infinity, works with Ethereum blockchain. You will be able to buy and sell on Ethereum and make millions of dollars. When it comes to Ethereum right now, at the time of making this video, one Ethereum is $3,000. So when you will be selling an Axie that you have earned as a reward from by just playing game, right? It was free for you, but you can sell it and trade it for maybe $6,000 or $7,000 by just sitting at your home and just playing a game. So that's how insane all of this thing is, how insane this metaverse is. So don't wait for other people to just take everything and you just sit back, and after that you will regret it. So go ahead and check out Axie Infinity right now. Play the game. If you want to play it, simply click on play now. You will be able to play the game. There is a marketplace available for the game too. Then we have a access, lands, battles. There are different battles that you play, different characters. You build your own land, you grow different assets, and then you go on adventures and fight with other players. So it's a very fun game to play, and you can also make millions of dollars with it. The next game that you should check out is going to be Sandbox.game. Now, you might have heard about Sandbox.game. It is an amazing metaverse where you can not only play games, you can also create games. So, what you have to do is simply go to Sandbox.game. How to sign up? You simply click on sign in right here or sign up, and then you can actually sign up with your email. You can sign up with just your social media account, your Facebook, Twitter, or Google, and then you can sign up with your MetaMask. I have personally signed up for my sandbox with my MetaMask. How to get a MetaMask? MetaMask is a crypto wallet, and you can go ahead and get your MetaMask right now. Simply go to metamask.io and simply sign up with your email address, or just to play sandbox you can go ahead and connect with any of these social media. So once you have your MetaMask, let's say you don't need any funds in the MetaMask to play the game, so keep that in mind, and it's super easy to do. Right now, how we can invest in this game right here and how we can make money with it, there are different ways we can make money with sandbox. The first thing is going to be creating games. The basic concept of this game is playing games and creating games in the metaverse. So you can go ahead and sign up and play games. You will see this option right here, create, and you can create a game in the metaverse where people will be able to play your game. Then you can buy land in the metaverse. It's super easy to buy a land in, Sandbox. You can see right here there's a map available where you will be able to check out the land available. And this way you will have a land in the metaverse. That's like the biggest investment you can do. You can buy a land for minimum 2 Ethereum. I have seen people selling lands available on OpenSea for just 2 Ethereum. So let's say the most expensive one is like around about 2000 Ethereum. But we're not gonna, buy those. We're just a beginner and we're looking for minimum investment. So you can maybe for, let's say, for $6,000 you can actually buy land in the metaverse in Sandbox. This is a map right here, and you can actually buy a land next to Snoop Blocks. That's like insane. But of course, the price of this land will be really high. So just imagine you buy this land right here, let's say $20,000, but then you can sell this land, and then you can sell this land for $2 billion. That's how insane it is, the investment. And then of course we can also buy and sell different assets. Everything in these games, in crypto games, is actually NFT, so you will be able to buy, sell, and trade them very easily on Ethereum blockchain. The next crypto game that you can check out is going to be CryptoKitties.co. This is very similar to Axie Infinities because in here we also get these kitties, and it's a very easy game, which is, CryptoKitties is a game centered around breedable, collectible, and adorable creatures we can call crypto kitties. Just like in Axie Infinities, we had these Axies, in crypto kitties we have these kitties. So this is actually really cute. The game is really simple. You have these different, characters, and each character will have its own properties. You can buy these very, cool looking creatures, kitties. You can see right here, all of them are actually NFT, and you can actually buy these. You can see this one is 0.05 Ethereum, this one is 0.3 Ethereum, this one is 0.02 Ethereum. So this is like not that expensive, and we can buy these kitties for this much. These are going to be the cards. So this is how you can invest in crypto kitties. A simple, easy game to kind of like go for. And when it comes to catalog, you can see right here we have these are all things that are NFT, and we can actually trade and buy these things, and this is how we can simply make money with crypto kitties. Then we have Illuvium.io. Is one of the very famous crypto games out there. Illuvium is this open world RPG adventure game built on Ethereum blockchain. Journey across a vast and varied landscape on your quest to hunt and capture deity-like creatures called Illuvial. So again, it is an amazing adventurous game where you are on this land. This is like an alien space where you go and you find these characters. Like, you can say a more advanced version of Pokemon, where you have to kind of like search for different, characters, and each character has different properties. So how to get started with Illuvium? You simply register right here, and you can sign up with your crypto wallet. When it comes to exchange, you can see right here there is buy ILV, where it's available on Binance, crypto.com, all of the famous crypto platforms. Then we have land, which is available, and then we have NFTs that are available for Illuvium. So there is staking available for Illuvium too. So Illuvium is actually a very good opportunity for different people to invest in crypto games, because there are different options available, such as land and NFTs as well. So yeah, when it comes to, Illuvium, it's a pretty amazing game. It's a very interesting game to play, and an easy way to make money. So these are the different ways you can go ahead and invest in crypto games, and these are some of the very famous crypto games to check out. Go ahead and check them out right now, and you will be able to, invest. So how to buy NFTs? If we're talking about different NFTs, you can go to OpenSea.io, and you will be able to buy different assets and sell different assets for all of these amazing crypto games. Not just these, but all of the different games are available on OpenSea.io. You can check out their different assets and sell, buy NFTs for thousands of dollars. Another way you can simply invest in crypto game is going to be the gaming tokens. You can invest in the tokens that are, available on the games. For example, Decentraland has Mana, Axie Infinity has AXS, Sandbox has Sand. So this is a very easy way to invest in these tokens where games are being played on. So you can invest in this one right here, AXS Sand. This is the NFT metaverse right here. Values, you can also check out their BNB chains, you can check out their last 7 day value, everything is given right here. And you can also invest in games this way. This is not a direct way, but you can invest in the token of the games. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to invest in metaverse crypto games. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.